Alright, finally priming the Civic engine bay. So we're getting it taped up and ready to go right now. But little pro tip, when you got stuff like wires and lines in an engine bay that you don't want to take out and you gotta tape them up, aluminum foil works better than tape, and then you don't have to waste a bunch of tape. So
oh, I was holding that sneeze in.
Yep, so we're gonna finish masking this thing up and then start shooting some primer on it.
Instead of spoiling this thing up.
So all this plastic is probably a little bit overkill just for primer, but we just painted this thing last year, so we're gonna do it anyways. Alright, so I think I'm going to end up combining the primer and paint video into one, so you probably already just watched us prime this thing. Where we're at now, we've sanded the engine bay, and it's ready to paint. So what we did was we took that plastic off that we had on there before, because when we sanded this it got full of dust and everything, and we don't want that trash to get in our new paint, so we just put fresh plastic on. We've already got paint mixed up, so we're going to go ahead and start spraying here. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that video up here. The car is currently going back together as we speak. There's still quite a bit of work to do though. We still got to get the motor in the car. There's some parts to be ordered. So next video on this project, we will probably be picking up with dropping the engine back into the car and going from there. So I want to thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
We came to fight, we came to win. We lost before, but never again. Back on our grind, you know what it is. Yeah, this is our year. Knocked us down once, we got up again. Put in the work, so I know we gon' win. This is for real, we never pretend. We gotta win, yeah. Had to stop being basic. Part of my dreams had to chase.